First started to attack online. They started to submit the assignment.
So what we'll do is I will continue with the assignment. Okay. So what you need with those who haven't submitted assignment will disconnect them. Then any further any question have you done after yesterday's class? No. Why? Have you done anything after class? Have you done anything? Yes or no? Yeah, of course. Biology? Part 1, part 2. How about you? Have you come sit here? Come. How many problems were you were able to solve? Sham, how many problems you were able to solve yesterday? Show me. See, those who will be constantly absent, it's better you don't come in class. Okay. If you want to just skip classes and also, please don't come. With you, it's very regular absent. You being absent, it doesn't matter how good of a student you are. It doesn't matter. Sachin wasn't a very good player, right? Vinod Kamli used to be a really good player, but far better than Sachin. But people know Sachin, right? Nobody knows Vinod Kamli, isn't it? So it doesn't matter how good you are right now. You'll be, you can be better of yourself if you keep working hard. But that's okay. Okay, let me get the assignments. We'll start solving assignments because there are there must be sorry. I mean, better I should hear that. Huh? If I'll ask you guys to open your mask, you will no. Biology, open your mask. If I'm opening it, everyone will have to. Oh. Come sit here, yeah. See that I'm telling you because it's the board property. No, the angle. You're having 4 eyes, right? I'm having only one. No, my right eye, I'm not able to see properly. Okay. So yesterday I asked you to do this problem. How many of you have done this one? Tried? Anyone? Tried? Show me where you have tried. There is something wrong. How you think this work? How you think? Have you tried? Still haven't tried. Yesterday I told you this. That's not how you have to. You have to correct it. You are. I should not take it anymore. I don't care. See, even if you are copying from somewhere and if you are able to understand it, that will do the work. If you are watching the solution from somewhere, you should first understand it. It's fine. It's complete because I cannot solve all the problems here. You cannot get all the problems in your book and everywhere. So if you are finding solution somewhere else, it is fine, completely fine. But just try to understand that. Okay. What about you? Come here. Show your notebook. Just want to see what dance you have done in your notebook. Come. It's very tough. Why did you come to class? I think I have given 2 assignments in trigonometry, right? Who said no? You are idiot. You are coming from since I was taking functions, right? The thing is, you are absent and check your app or something. I don't know what. Check it. 2 assignments I have given. Okay, so first assignment was this here, right here. This was your first assignment. Okay. This was very basic questions that I have given, and this is the second assignment of trigonometry, right? Yes or no? Everyone has got this? Okay. I'm not going to ask who is on it. So how do you solve these type of problems? Have you tried? Arey, what you have done is how many problems you try to solve after yesterday's class? After last class when you attended last Wednesday, right? Sham. Last Wednesday only you have attended that class, right? After that, how many problems you have solved in mathematics? How many problems you have solved? Maths assignment complete solution you have done. Complete you have done all. That's what I'm asking. How many problems you have solved? Have you had a look at the assignment? Did you try to solve it? Where? Show me. Yeah, of course not here. The book will never be here. Right? Wherever you will try, it will not be here because then so you'll have to show it to me. Right? If I ask you, isn't it? Yesterday I asked you to bring your assignment wherever you have done. Have you? Okay. So the problem was sine to the power of 8 theta. 8 theta minus cos to the power of 8 theta, right? You have to prove the problem is this. Prove that this is an assignment. Prove that this is equal to sine square A minus cos square A 1 minus 2 sine square A cos, sorry, A instead I'm writing A, I'm sorry. It should be A. The angle must be same. No? A is the angle here. Okay. How you will process for this problem? This type of problems, how you will process? It's really it's based on identities, right? On trigonometric identity. You solved it yourself. You taught you. Now you can solve it. Wow. Something weird. Good. It's good. Get help from anywhere you can get. It's fine. Yeah. You should not be ashamed of asking for help to anyone. How you see why everyone is looking down? How you proceed for the time of looking down is gone. How you will proceed for this problem? See, in the left hand side, you have left side is equal to 5. What is this? Power 8 and then what is the power? Power is 2, right? That means you have to somehow bring this to second power. How can you do that? Can you now let's take how? Yeah. See, sine, you can write the left hand side. Sine to the power of 4a square minus cos to the power of 4a square. Okay. Can we write like this? You can write like this. Now this if you remember, this is what? If you remember the in algebra we have studied a square minus b square, right? That is a plus b into a minus b. That too we know. We can prove this also. We can prove this geometrically also. We can prove this, right? Do you know how the proof? You don't know the proof. That means you guys haven't studied. That means you have just remembered, memorized the formula. This is that, right? So instead of A, we have sine to A here is what? A is sine to the power of 4A and B is cos to the power of 4A. Now just substitute this A. This here in this formula can be write this entire thing, the left hand side. This can be write in this form. See what I have, what torture I have to. First, you guys. Second thing is just tablet. Write down. Do it one more time. I know you are very. Solve some other problem. That that problem is solved. Sin theta is equal to x minus x plus 1 upon x. Yesterday I did it. This one. You solved it. Solve it. Let's see. We already solved it. You always have got reasons, right? I'll just ask you to solve. Yeah, I've already solved. Do it, yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't know how to proceed. I'll just substitute here now. A plus B, A minus B. You'll get sine 4A plus cos to the power 4A, right? And sine to the power of 4A minus cos to the power 4. That's what you'll get, isn't it? Now again, can you break this? That's what we do. You break this. You understood? Yes or no? Do it. If I keep writing everything, you guys will learn. See, unless any problem, any subject, you have to proceed. Otherwise, you will not just by copying and just like you have to correct it. Even though you can make a mistake, it's fine, but correct it. It's okay to make the mistake. Do it fast. Then now break this one, the second part as well as this first part. How you can break this? Sine square. What is A? Ashwin, A plus B whole square. How can you write? Can you prove this geometrically? Don't know what geometry is. Using squares and triangles, you don't know. Haven't studied it. Is there in NCRT? No? Is there in NCRT? Yeah, it is. Don't argue. You know this. I have solved it. I have done it in my. In your time, I'm from what old what is that called? Yeah, but yeah, your time is called what? What is your time? You know what is this? A plus B whole square. Yes or no? What? Eh? Little louder. What? Say it. A square plus. Why you speak so? Your pitch is very less. What do you say, biology? And you can take the blame. Then the second problem, then solve this one. Biology for you. Those who have done, you can solve this problem. Please check. Let me check. we solve this. 1 upon sec A minus 10p minus 1 upon cos A is equal to 1 upon cos A minus good. Is the same process. Sine cos. See, whenever you have any function, it can, if you remember, you have solved this type of identity in 10th standard, right? Good. It's very easy. Are you solve this one? I'm telling you, you solve this first one. What you have got? Hari? Sham? Let. Now after this, you can let sine square A is equal to, let's say, x. Cos square A is equal to y. And we know x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So, but we have got this and this term, right? We have got this and this term. So can we write x plus y square minus 2xy is equal to x square plus y square, right? We have got x square and y square, isn't it? So just write these. So how you will write? So the first term I'm writing, listen, see here. First term, how we can write? Sine square A plus cos square A whole square minus 2xy. So 2x is our what? Sine square A cos square A. This is the first term. Okay, this is the first term I've written. The second term, this second term, now I'll write it. Okay, plus, no, sorry, multiplied. No, this is multiplied. Okay, this is multiplied by sine 4A. Again, you can write sine square A minus cos square A into sine square A plus cos square A. So this is the complete statement. Okay. Now can you prove this? I hope now it is sine square A plus cos square A is what? What's the name? Nothing. Sine square A plus cos square A is what? So this two you have put. Trigonometry is open. I was studying anything wrong. But see, whenever somebody is, how worse that someone can teach, but still they will write something, right? Nothing is there in the memory. That means in class you will just be sleeping your days. What is trigonometric identity? Why you were absent? Don't be absent in class. First thing is that. Whatever the reason be, get up, dress up, show up. Follow these rules. You will achieve a lot. And you wanted to study mathematics. Okay. Maybe you might be thinking where you will be using this all mathematics, why we are studying it. So better drop now, drop mathematics. The thing is, when you solve these type of logical problems, your brain cells will get activated. Neurons will form. Okay, and that neurons will help you to analyze other problems, maybe in your life. Okay, that's why we study anything. Why do we study anything, any literature or anything? To make ourselves, so what I can comfortable with the society, right? To contribute something to the society. Good, no? If you see if science squared theta plus cos squared theta, we have that's the first identity we have studied. This is equal to 1. Ashwin, do you study even anything in home? Yes or no? Don't shake your head. Now, good. It's already done. Problem is solved already. You have to just write the last line. If you're expecting me to write everything, biology done. The second problem. You're done with this problem. Sure. Good, good. See, you have what? Biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, as well as biology. And instead of biology, you guys have computer science. What do you study in computer science? Then it's easy, right? It's really easy. See, whenever you have any function in cos and sine, just try to calculate in sine and cos. This will be cos of sine of cos. Yes, exactly. You can do that also, but I'm just trying to, if you forget all the formulas, just try to convert in sine and cos. Always sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Any angle will be put, like if you put sine square 30 plus cos square 30, it is always equal to 1. Sine square 9000 degrees plus cos square 9000 degrees will be equal to 1. Okay? So just write the last line. Right now. See, this is 1. This complete thing is 1. So anything multiplied by 1 will be as it is. So you have got this one. You just need to that side do this one. This again is equal to 1. Sine square plus cos square. Right? This is again equal to 1. So 1. This doesn't happen in chemistry. It's because of I'm using this OneNote. It's because of that, right? I think ma'am is using some Samsung notes. We'll try to do next all problems to do that. So just write the last time. Hopefully you guys can do it. Where is new notes? That's the folder, right? Just write it yourself. The last, show me. What instead of solving this, you are going to say, how big of a unit is that? I have to solve this, right? Why you are doing this? I mean, why you not getting that? This is the last sentence. This is what I get. Where is the number? Do you want to what happened? Why that? This equal to 1 square times square. And so this is what we need, right? That much we cannot do. What is wrong with you? This I said already, this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Then why can't we write this? Just write it. 1 minus, this is 1 square plus 3. At least copy properly. 1 minus 2 sin square 8 cos square 8 plus multiplied by sin square 8 minus cos square 8. So that's what you need to prove. Achha, everyone tell me this. Listen. What is cos square a minus sin square? What is formula for cos 2a? What is sin 2a? 2 sin a cos a. Do you guys know, remember, memorize, did anything with it? Or just is there in the book? NCERT last page summary is there. There all the formulas are written, right? What is cos 2a? What is tan 2a? Can you find tan 2a? But do you see? You cannot always find it, right? If in exam, suppose this type of problem, what happened? I just chose. What is it? Why do we have to select? Where is your notes? I don't know password. Can you call Bhaskar? Someone? Go fast. Call Bhaskar. Just call him. Achha, listen. Teacher, at the end of the chapter, you have all the just try to remember that I will also just memorize everything. There are like sin and cos. Okay, related to that, you have to kind of, remember all the time all the formulas. See, it's like if you solve a lot of problems, you will remember the formulas. Especially like the identity of sign. Can you start the Samsung note? I don't know the password. And one more. Any formula related to sign and cos, you must do. Okay. Others you can find this. Somehow you will be able to solve other problems. Yeah, thank you. So how did you do it? Huh? No. Where how you choose this? From here, this one. Thanks. Thanks. Okay. So solve this problem. Again from assignment, this one is. Listen. Both of you. You can do it in your home. How many of you can plot this? This is also there in assignment, right? This question is also there. Have you done it? Have you tried? You can do it, right? I think this first plot side. See, it's like this. I'll do it one more time. Plot all other curves. See, sine is, this is sine. You just need to write the angles. So this will be 1 and this will be -1, right? This is 0 degree. This is x or theta, whatever you can say. And this is your pi by 2, because at pi by 2, the value is 1, right? And at pi, this is at 3 pi by 2, the value is -1, and at 2 pi, the value is again 0, and it will repeat. The same thing will repeat. So this is your sine. Now we have to plot sine 2x. Okay. When you multiply it by the angle, what will happen? The graph will squeeze. Because we are multiplying by a factor of 2. So, or you'll get the plot. But see, the maximum value, let's do it. So at 0, if you put x is equal to 0, 0 sine 0, so sine 0 is 0. Now here, let's say pi by 4. Okay, pi by 4 is there somewhere, right? So if you put pi by 4, what you get? Pi by 2, sine pi by 2, you get half of that. See, the max, right now, this white curve is sine x. Right now, we are plotting sine 2x. Okay, so this will become, it will come somewhere here and it will get squeezed up like this. Can you understand why it will get squeezed up? Right, you put this under pi. Okay, you put pi. So what will happen? It's pi, that is 2 pi. So at 2 pi, what's the value? 0. Right, and let's say pi by 2. If you put here pi by 2, what it will become? Pi. It will become pi. So sine pi is what? So it should be, sorry, sine pi is 0. Sine pi will be. So that's why now you see this is white curve. Where is it? Okay, this is white. White is sine x. This red one is what? Sine 2x. Now we have to multiply half, right? If you multiply half, that means if you multiply half, what will happen? It squeezed in y-axis, right? So right now the amplitude of this wave is 1, but when we multiply it by half, so it will reduce by half. That will be half. So let's plot it using yellow curve. It will have the same nature of sine 2x. Okay, so it will be a 1 by 2, and this is -1 by 2. So now the graph will vibrate between these lines. Okay, so my mistake. Are getting it? Understood? We just decrease the amplitude by half. So this is -1 by 2. Okay, that's how we plot this. Now yellow curve, this yellow curve is your half sine 2x. Okay, got it? Let's everyone come here. Acha ji, those who are online, I cannot demonstrate you, but those who are here, let me show you. If you don't believe me, definitely can believe internet, hopefully. See, come everyone. Let me come to you. So this is your sine 2. Y is equal to sine x. Now, you also have to this is supposed to be fine, right? But I have not written in terms of numbers. Of course, I can change it. And we will see this. Y is how much? 3 point something. So see, value is 1 point something. You see this? Yes. And side 2 are given how 6.24. Great. By the way, your loss. Now you see. 0, 5/2, 5/2, 3/2, 5, all that goes. And just, so this is your first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant. Now, side equates. This red one is side. This blue one is side equates. That's very done. Okay, squeeze, right? Okay, squeeze. Now it will be 0/5. There is I can sit 1/5. I expect to be 2. This green one. Yes. Let's remove this side. This green one will be half side. Yes. Squeeze it down. Because once you want, if you multiply starting to work, this says let's stand it. Because I'm studying this wave has so these will help you to understand physics also. That's why what the laptop. Where is it? 7. This is the laptop. Understood how you plot it? So that was the fourth problem of assignment. There are other curves, try to plot those curves and write the period. Now what will be the period? The period will be of 3 cycles. Period is an I interval or an angle interval, an interval after which the function is repeated. Okay. Now you can see here, sine this white curve, it will repeat after 2 times. But you see this red curve, the white curve will repeat after 1, but this red curve, it will repeat after 5, right? After 1, you can put it there also. So the interval, it is repeating after 5, so the period of sine 2x is what? 5. What will be the period of half sine 2x? Same 5 because it is, again, it is repeating after the same. It doesn't see. That means whatever you multiply there, it will not change the period. If you multiply anything in angle, so that will change the period. And if you suppose add something, sine, let's say 2x plus some angle theta. Okay? Some angle, let's say 30 degrees. So we will start from 30 degrees. Okay, because sine 2x plus theta is what? Sine theta. Isn't it? So this is called the phase difference. This theta is called phase difference. This you will study in waves and thermodynamics. Okay, coming in physics, you have a chapter called waves and thermodynamics, I suppose. Sound waves are there, right? So in that you are going to study these things, the equation of a wave. Okay, how do we write a simple equation of wave? So that, see, how do we write it? So it is y is equal to a sine or cos anything theta plus phi, like this. This is the equation of wave. This means this a is amplitude, which is out there. Sine or cos, we can write it. Theta is the angle, simple, and phi is the phase difference. So phase difference between sine and cos is how much? 90 degrees. Because cos will start from here. Cos will start from here. Phase difference between sine and cos is get it slowly. First, you need to understand how to plot this. Then you will, you'll get it properly. But anyway, it's all up to you. This was the fourth problem of assignment, and do all other problems. Okay. Let's Fourth. Fifth one is very easy, right? Sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 2 minus 10 square pi by 2 is equal to half. That's what you have to do. Fifth problem is really easy. Sixth one, again, tan, just find tan. Yesterday we have done this, I think. Okay. So find tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. Find it. Do it. Everyone. Will you be able to solve this? Huh? You have done this. Remember in previous class you have done this. No, you don't remember. Remember, I asked you to find tan 15 degree or sine 15 degree, something or there. Use same method. This is like what? 60 plus 50 or 30 plus 45. That was, yeah, that also like tan a plus b plus cot a plus b. So solve it. So use first, write all of you. I want to see this. Write tan a plus b formula. Cot alpha plus beta. Write down this formula first. These two. First you write this formula, then you start solving this problem. Biology and physics also, because you have do it fast. Done. How many of you are done? How much you got? Wrong. Do it again. Tan 75, how much you got? How much you got tan 75? How many of you have got this? None. None of you. How much time you want to do this? What happened? Naveen, don't be absent in class. Write down the formula of tan a plus b. You were there in that class, right? When we wrote all these formulas. Just sit there. Sit quietly. That's how you guys are going to learn. How much? How much you got? Cot 75. Cot 75 is what? 1 upon tan 75. So this will be root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is simple, right? Now just add these two. You should get 4, okay? Once you add it, these two, you'll get 4. Naveen, Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Sorry. 75 you can write as 45 plus 30. So this is your A, this is your B. I'm not solving complete problem. Do the next problem. Prove that. Achha. I think we have done this type of problem in class, but again, just try to do it. Show that tan 1 degree plus tan 2 degree. What happened to that girl, Srinidhi? Huh? She's not on me. I've not done assignment. School, she came to school. She's not in your school. But you should be okay. Whose class she is in? Shreya is very Shreya. Huh? She's online. Okay, I don't know. Plus tan 90 degree, 89 degree is equal to 1. Prove it. Show that. Listen. Bye. I'm giving you some problem, right? What are you doing on the notebook? What do you have to experiment? Next time you guys will be not sitting. You will sit there and you will. Right now in class, you guys you can do it later. You have home or be after class or before class. Just try to solve this problem. I have already given you your got this or not? You got this or not? You don't know how to add this. If you don't know, sorry, I can't help you. I'm really sorry. And I feel bad for you guys if you cannot solve these questions. Just simple addition and subtraction you don't know, you guys. Thought 11th standard will be as same as 10th standard. Abhin, how you proceed with this problem? Okay. Acha, why it is 89 degree? Why not 90 degree? Tan 90 is undefined, right? That's why you are not taking tan 90. And it will not be perfect. That's it. Yeah, done. See, okay, do it yourself. Achha, sorry. I think this is the wrong question. This is not addition, this is multiplication. Okay, this is all multiplication. If you multiply tan 1 degree, tan 89 degree will be equal to 1. You have to show that. Take these two terms together. First term, last term, second term, second last term, like that. You combine those two terms, you'll get tan A, tan B. What is tan A, tan B? Tan A, tan B. You see this? You'll get this. So from there, how you will write tan A, tan B? This will go to the side, cross multiply it. Fine. Understood? We'll cross multiply these and you will get tan A plus tan B upon tan A plus B. And this will be 1 minus tan A. Okay, I'll write it down. I'll write it down. So it will be, what is it? Tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B will be equal to tan A plus tan B upon what? Tan A plus B. Right? Now this will be 1 minus tan A plus tan B whole divided by tan A plus B. This is equal to tan A tan B. Now, why I have written this much? What you will do, you will take this term, the first term and the last term, 89th term. You will write these two. That order you can get, so that it will get something upon infinity is what? 1 upon infinity is what? It is 0. So that's how you equate those steps to 0 and finally get the answer. Okay, you have to combine it. See, if you combine 89 and 1 will get, you have to get 90, right? 10 plus 0. And something, this value upon 90 will be equal to what? 0. This entire term will become 0. Okay? And only 1 0. So you will always get the product of this and this is equal to 1. Product of this and this is equal to 1. That's how you will get. And that's how you will get this is equal to 1. Do you want me to solve it? Yes or no? Or you will try. You want me to solve it? Take first term. So write like this: tan 1 degree into tan 89 degree. Okay. Now tan 2 degree. Tan 2 degree. Now where is it? Multiplied by tan 88 degrees. All are multiplied, right? Similarly, we can write till what? Tan. What will be the last term that I can write? What term will be the last term? Tell me, fast. 44. 45 it will not reach. See, 45 will reach. We are not taking 90 now. 89 is 44 tan 36. 46, no? It is 46, not 36. 46. How you decide this? How you will decide this? How you guys will decide? Huh? This is multiplication of all the terms in between. How you will decide what term you have to do? See, we are combining. There are total of 89 terms, right? So 89 divided by 2 is how much? 44 plus 1. The last term must be 44 and the term just there before that. That will be 46. These two terms will be left. These two terms will be left out. Okay, that's how you do it. Because you are taking it to be. See, we have total of 89 terms, right? Total 89 terms are there. See here in the problem, tan 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 89. So how many terms are there? 89 terms are there, right? So when you divide it by 2, what you will get? 44 plus 1 you will get? What is it? 44 plus 1, right? Sorry. 44 1 by 2, no? That's what you will get. That means there are total 44 pairs. That's the meaning, right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 90 terms. 89 terms. So 44 is the last one. And you see the combination 89 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 88 is what? 90. So for the last one, 44 and 46. Because you have to add and you get 90. Okay, that's how you get. Is that okay? Understood or not? Or shall I use some other methods? I think this is fine, right? Because you are taking care of divided by 2. Simply. Okay. Okay, so that means I'll erase this thing, right? Now you see. Now observe this. I have written this formula here. Now tan A, tan B. Now see, tan A, tan B. Now this is A and this is B. If we can write first, we can use for all other terms, right? So tan A, tan B. So use this term, use this formula. So tan A, tan B, we can write here. So this will be, I'm writing only this. This we can write as, so this will become 1 minus tan A. So tan A is 1 degree plus tan 89 degree whole divided by tan 1 plus 89 degree. Can you see this? Is this correct? I'm just writing the first term. I'm not writing all the terms. Okay, just understand this. So this is the first term. Similarly, you will write all the terms. You don't have to even write here. So 1 minus, now what tan 90 is, this will be 90. So this is tan 1 degree plus tan 89 degree, right? And this divided by tan 90, isn't it? This will be tan 90. Fine. So tan 90 is how much? Infinity is not defined. So any finite upon infinite is what? 0. So this term will be equal to 0. So what you will left out with? 1. So 1 into 1 into 44 times of 1. So what you will get? 1. Okay. That's all you can do. Just a minute. Hello? Hello? कुछ टाइम होता है ठीक है आई एम इन क्लास राइट नाउ होल्ड जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज उनको मैसेज किया हुआ है ठीक है और इस तरह ना बाद में बात करेंगे sometimes you feel like killing someone. This is my method. Understood this? Any doubt? See, the way we have written this first term, similarly you get the second term. Second term will become 1 minus 2 degree plus tan 88 degree. Okay? Upon tan 2 plus 88. 2 plus 88 will be what? 90. So tan, so again we get 5 upon 5 and it will become 1. So you multiply 144 times and you will get 1. Because that last, okay, sorry. That last term will be tan 40. Tan 45 will not have any other terms, right? It does not have any other term to combine. Tan 45 is also because we are not taking tan 45. We are taking the first term, the last term. Suppose, just imagine like this. Suppose we have 10 terms on it. Okay, tan 1 degree multiplied by tan 2 degree. Okay, and let's tan 3 degree, tan 4 degree. Okay, and we have the last term tan 89 degree, tan 88 degree, tan 87 degree, tan what? 86 degree, right? So this will form pair. These all will form pair, right? This will form pair with this. This will form this. And in the middle, suppose this will keep combining, right? Till 44th term you can combine. 44 and 46 will combine. But 45 will remain as it is. 45 doesn't have anyone to combine because we are not taking tan 90, right? Tan 90 we are not taking, that is the problem. See, it is up to 89. That means tan 45 will remain here. Tan 45 do not have anyone to combine. And the value of tan 45 is how much? 1. So again, it will be equal to 1. Thank you so much. See, you have to observe these things. I made the mistake here. Even though you will get the get marks, but you should understand it properly. Why tan 45 is must check. Okay, Hari, got it? So just try to solve other problems, and tomorrow also we are going to solve some or maybe tomorrow we'll start complexing. I think we have solved enough problems. Or if you have doubt, just solve the assignment. If you see my intention was, if you solve the assignment, all the doubts will get cleared up. But if one by one, if you are doing all the problems, then you cannot cover trigonometry. You know how many problems you have got in trigonometry? I'll count. I'll tell you the final count. 5,600 problems in trigonometry. Do you want to solve all the problems? You can't even solve it, you understand all the problems. It's just the concept. If you understood the concept, you can solve all the problems. Okay? By the way, this is the engineering book, so if you can solve these type of problems, you can solve engineering problems. This can be there in your mains exam, not in advanced. Advanced, it's very easy for advanced. It's too easy. See, in advanced, you probably you won't be able to understand whether it's a physics problem or mathematics problem. This came in physics because I think mathematics, what is that? Introduction to mathematics is there, no? In physics, first chapter. So in that calculus, integration and differentiation will be studied. That is basic, but you will understand what's the meaning of differentiation. What's the meaning of differentiation? Huh? So what? When I'm integration, what is integration? Okay. See, in simple language, you can say differentiation means dividing. Integration means adding. Okay. Differentiation, you are dividing into small parts. You write now that dx. What is that dx? Integration of x squared dx. What is that dx? You don't know what that dx is. Just simply writing it. See, you know how to plot this, right? If I give you a curve, y is equal to, let's say, x square. Okay, and you can draw this y is equal to x square. This is y is equal to x square. This is y. This is x. Now, suppose you have to integrate from 0 to, let's say, 4. Okay. See, this direction is x. This direction is x. That means you will take a strip, right? Have you seen this? You have seen this thing, right? Let's see now. Strip. You can add all this strip. Right? Integration meaning is what? When you are writing integration from 0 to 4, right? That means integration with respect to x, not with respect to y. You are differentiating, integrating this function, f of x into dx. That's what you write, right? That's what you write. Okay. Here, f of x is equal to your x. So this is the elemental area. The unit is, so this is your dx. This length is your dx. Okay. This strip you keep on adding. Integration meaning that same strip. You can also write it as for continuous function summation f of x into dx. From, of course, x I. This is multiplication, by the way. I is from 0 to I is equal to 4. Like that. You know the simple, right? You know this is immediate summation. That's what the meaning of integration. Okay. Is there now in first chapter also, when you will be solving motion in one dimension, parabolic motion, vectors you will be studying, basic things you will be studying, right? See, if you don't know, you can understand it all the time. My suggestion will be study Resnick Halliday Walker for physics. Don't study any other stupid book. Principle of Physics or Fundamental of Physics, Resnick Halliday Walker. That book, if you can read line by line, you will understand everything. All other books, I think, are stupid. They've just written it. I don't know how. Resnick Halliday Walker, the name of book is. Or Resnick Halliday Crane is also there. One is called your University Physics, but that will be little high standard. Don't go with that. S.L. Looney, I think most of people will buy nowadays, right? Or Pradeep or something, Dinesh or something. This type of books are there. Don't buy these books. Stupid books. H.C. Verma. That is very good. H.C. Verma is the best book. What question? Because your concept is not clear. Now, if physics, you will say you have understood physics if you can solve problems based on that theory. It's not just simply okay. The S is equal to ut plus half ut square. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning? See, in unit and dimension, you must have studied this is meter, right? This is meter, so this has to be meter, this has to be meter. And this is also known as accelerated motion. If the motion is uniform, you will have what is it? If the motion is uniform, you will have only this much, because that's what you have studied. No, distance is equal to speed into time. So far, you have studied this thing. This is this one, isn't it? This, and this is uniform motion. And when you add this term, this is your accelerated motion or uniformly accelerated motion. If the acceleration is constant, a is equal to constant. Okay, here a is equal to 0. When you will use integration and differentiation, okay, then it can be there like a is the function of, let's say, time. A because a is dv upon dt, right? Change of velocity with respect to time. This differentiation. What's the meaning of this? If you can understand the meaning, why it is, how it is written, what's the meaning of this, then you can solve any problem. Whether it is graphical problem or any type of problem. But if you just memorize the formula, I'm sorry, you cannot solve it. Actually, I'm not sorry. You will only understand when you read the book by yourself. It's not like anybody can teach you all the things one by one. I have tried it with you guys, but I'm very what I can see. Because when we spoon feed you, you want a bigger spoon, right? You want every time you want to be spoon fed. So, but one thing is for sure that it's not 11th standard is nothing close to 10th standard. That is for sure. If you think that you have done good in your hello. क्या लॉक कर दो आप खाना बना दिया ना कौन कौन करना चाहिए रुको मैं आपको बाद में कर सकता हूँ मैं 9:30 को बात करता हूँ 9:30 नहीं या फिर कल बात करते हैं ओके so my cook here sometimes he'll cook something that you won't even want to see. You can, you all are welcome if you want. What, I'm not kidding. See, apart from this class, you can but not in class. I will scold you as much as I can. Okay, study it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming. Ashwin, good job, you are coming.